Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Stop wasting money on Botox. These 5 kitchen ingredients erase wrinkles naturally. Brightens, tightens, and rejuvenates your skin. Try this powerful mask. Tired of wrinkles? Here's the ultimate natural solution. The secret mask that boosts collagen naturally. Want youthful skin without chemicals? This mask makes your skin smooth, firm, and glowing. This mask tightens the skin, reduces wrinkles, and deeply nourishes the skin. Dear friends, watch the video until the end because you will get to know 28 anti-wrinkle mask recipes that may interest you. Subscribe to our channel. We will post new recipes. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Apply the mask to cleansed skin. Benefits: tightens the skin, smooths fine wrinkles, activates collagen production in the skin, moisturizes and nourishes the skin, clears the complexion. Dear friends, watch the video until the end because you will get to know 28 anti-wrinkle mask recipes that may interest you. Subscribe to our channel. We will post new recipes. How to make: mix dry yeast with warm water. Mix well until a uniform thick mass is formed. How to use: apply a thin layer to cleansed face. Wait 15-20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then apply moisturizer. How many times a week? Can be used 2-3 times a week. Suitable for dry skin, normal skin, mature skin. For sensitive skin, a test is recommended first. 28 anti-wrinkle dry yeast face mask recipes. Mask 1, milk and honey ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoon warm milk, 1 tsp honey. How to prepare: Mix until smooth paste. How to apply? Apply on clean face for 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. How often? 2-3 times per week. Skin type, dry and normal skin. Mask 2, banana and olive oil ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon mashed banana, 1 tsp olive oil. Prepare. Mix well until creamy. Apply, leave for 15-20 minutes. Rinse. How often? 2 times per week. Skin type, dry and aging skin. Mask 3, aloe and rose water ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon rose water. Prepare. Mix into gel paste. Apply evenly for 15 minutes. How often? 3 times per week. Skin type, sensitive and combination skin. Mask 4, egg white and lemon ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 egg white, 3 drops lemon juice. Prepare. Mix until foamy. Apply, leave for 10-12 minutes. How often? 1-2 times per week. Skin type, oily skin only. Mask 5, yogurt and honey ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoon yogurt, 1 tsp honey. Prepare. Mix smoothly. Apply, leave 15 minutes. Rinse. How often? 3 times per week. Skin type, all skin types. Mask 6, cucumber and vitamin E ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoon cucumber juice, 1 capsule vitamin E. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 2-3 times per week. Skin type, sensitive and tired skin. Mask 7, oatmeal and milk ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon oatmeal powder, 2 tablespoon warm milk. Prepare. Mix into thick paste. Apply, massage gently, leave 15 minutes. How often? 2 times per week. Skin type, normal and dry skin. Mask 8, rice water and honey ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoon rice water, 1 tsp honey. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 3 times per week. Skin type, dull and uneven skin. Mask 9, avocado and coconut oil ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon avocado, mash 1 tsp coconut oil. Prepare. Blend into paste. Apply, leave 20 minutes. How often? 2 times per week. Dear friends, skin watch type, the video until the end, because you will get to know 28 anti-wrinkle mask recipes that may interest you. Subscribe to our channel. We will post new recipes. Mask 10, coffee and honey ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tsp coffee, 1 tsp honey, warm water. Prepare. Mix until smooth. Apply, massage lightly, leave 10 minutes. How often? 1-2 times per week. Skin type, normal and oily skin. Mask 11, papaya and aloe ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon papaya, 1 tablespoon aloe gel. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 2 times per week. Skin type, aging skin. Mask 12, carrot and olive oil ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoon carrot juice, 1 tsp olive oil. Prepare. Mix smoothly. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 3 times per week. Skin type, dry and mature skin. Mask 13, potato and rose water ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoon potato juice, 1 tablespoon rose water. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 3 times per week. Skin type, pigmented skin. Mask 14, flaxseed gel and honey. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon flaxseed gel, 1 tsp honey. Prepare. Mix into gel paste. Apply, leave 20 minutes. How often? 2 times per week. Skin type, sagging skin. Mask 15, green tea and vitamin E. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoon green tea, 1 capsule vitamin E. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 3 times per week. Skin type, all skin types. Mask 16, almond milk and honey. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoon almond milk, 1 tsp honey. Prepare. Mix smoothly. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 2-3 times per week. Skin type, sensitive dry skin. Mask 17, tomato and aloe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoon tomato juice, 1 tablespoon aloe gel. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 10 minutes. How often? 1-2 times per week. Skin type, oily skin. Mask 18, strawberry and yogurt. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon strawberry, mash, 2 tablespoon yogurt. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 2 times per week. Skin type, dull skin. Mask 19, honey and warm water. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tsp honey, warm water. Prepare. Mix into paste. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 3 times per week. Skin type, all skin types. Mask 20, egg yolk and olive oil. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 egg yolk, 1 tsp olive oil. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 2 times per week. Skin type, dry aging skin. Mask 21, chamomile and honey. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoon chamomile tea, 1 tsp honey. Prepare. Mix smoothly. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 3 times per week. Skin type, sensitive skin. Mask 22, pumpkin and coconut oil. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon pumpkin puree, 1 tsp coconut oil. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 20 minutes. How often? 2 times per week. Skin type, dry mature skin. Mask 23, beetroot and aloe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoon beetroot juice, 1 tablespoon aloe gel. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 2-3 times per week. Skin type, dull skin. Mask 24, glycerin and rose water. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 5 drops glycerin, 1 tablespoon rose water. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 2 times per week. Skin type, very dry skin. Mask 25, orange peel and yogurt ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tsp, orange peel powder, 2 tablespoon yogurt. Prepare. Mix smoothly. Apply, leave 10 minutes. How often? 1-2 times per week. Skin type, oily skin. Mask 26, turmeric and milk ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, pinch turmeric, 2 tablespoon milk. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 10 minutes. How often? 1-2 times per week. Skin type, acne-prone skin. Mask 27, avocado oil and honey ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tsp, avocado oil, 1 tsp, honey. Prepare. Mix well. Apply, leave 20 minutes. How often? 2 times per week. Skin type, dry skin. Mask 28, rose water and vitamin E ingredients. 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon rose water, 1 capsule vitamin E. Prepare. Mix smoothly. Apply, leave 15 minutes. How often? 3 times per week. Skin type, all skin types.